Discover the Garden of the Sleeping Giant, nestled in the lush foothills of the Nadi region. With an entry fee starting from $49.14, visitors can immerse themselves in a world of vibrant orchids and tranquil lily ponds. The garden's commitment to accessibility ensures an inclusive experience for all, offering pathways and facilities for the visually impaired, those with mobility challenges, and seniors. Hike the Nausori Highlands for panoramic views that stretch across the horizon. The trails offer a full immersion into the island's natural beauty, and for a unique perspective, navigating the highlands on horseback adds excitement to the experience. Relax at the Sabeto Valley Thermal Mud Pools, where geothermal mud is known for its therapeutic properties. It's a transformative experience that leaves visitors feeling rejuvenated and connected with nature. Experience a Fiji village kava ceremony, an intimate affair steeped in respect and community. Learn the etiquette, observe the ritual, and embrace the leisurely island rhythm. The kava ceremony is a vibrant social event that symbolizes a warm welcome into village life. Witness Fiji fire. Walking at cultural shows where Fijian warriors step onto smoldering stones. The ceremony is a passage through Fiji's ancient traditions, a dance with the daring. Attend a cultural show, learn the history, and feel the energy of this mesmerizing practice. Learn local lore and legends from a village guide who offers insights into the myths and legends that form the fabric of the island's identity. Uncover tales of gods, warriors, and mystical figures, and immerse in Fijian culture with kava ceremonies, exquisite cuisine, and explorations of lush rainforests and waterfalls. Ziplining through Fiji's tropical forests offers a unique vantage point to witness the island's vibrant ecosystem. With far and away adventures, you can enjoy this exhilarating experience safely and memorably. Diving into the Great Astrolabe Reef, a diver's paradise, allows you to encounter diverse marine life amidst vibrant coral formations. Dive shops like Dive Away Fiji, with experienced guides like Sib, ensure a safe and unforgettable adventure. Paddle through history on a Sigatoka River safari, where the river becomes your pathway to the past. Glide through the lush landscapes and let the rhythmic strokes of your paddle carry you into the heart of Fijian nature and history. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.